Hi everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys the difference between DJI Neo versus DJI Mini 4K. So obviously, if I head over to the Reddit page, everyone agrees on the Mini 4K because the Neo is cool, but you'll be quickly tired of its limitation. You know, it is on the Neo, it is Wi-Fi based, so it has a smaller range unless you're using uh, controller, things like that. As you can see, everyone is saying definitely Mini 4K, and they also put out the reasons that you have you can get it for less than DJI Neo, and then one battery's mini is giving you the same flight as three times in that. Camera quality on the Mini 4K is better. Wind resistance on Neo is bad, but it's like better for the Mini 4K. So if it's your choice, then go for Mini 4K. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.